Man, listen. Lockoutmen right here in the truck. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm glad that you guys is here. And today's topic is probably a good topic and a good video because it is my honor and pleasure to share with you guys a video from one of my favorite YouTubers, and they are Nic and Carla. Yes, I reached out to them via their video. They was talking about something of interest, which is interest of me because the question they was always getting, their number one question, which happens to be my number one question as well. And that question is, what is the best company for new truck drivers? I get that all over my emails, all over my DMs, all over my comments in my video. And you guys want to know, hey, Lockoutmen, what is the best company out here for us new jacks that's coming into the game? Well, I reached out to Nic and Carla, like I said, via video, and I asked them, I was like, hey, this is a great topic, great video, great conversation. I said, I want to go ahead and feature it on my upcoming video because it's the same question that I get all the time. So, what is the best company to work for you guys? I really can't say. When I was asked the question, I only worked, well, at the one time I was asked the question before, and I only worked at two companies. So I can only compare the two companies where I was at. First one was US Express. Now, US Express is a starter company. They gave me my opportunity. I worked it there. I drove for them for about 2 years before I was let go abruptly. And the reason why I was let go, you can probably see here. I'll put the link up there. Was I jaded? Yes, because you know I was on my way to making some good money from where I started. Being a new jack in the game, they started me at 36 cents a mile, and then I worked my way up all the way up to like a little bit over 40. And strange things happen. Let's just say strange things happen, and you can see it here. Next up was J&R Schwoogle. J&R Schwoogle. Plenty of videos on J&R Schwoogle, man. In those videos, I did tell you guys that J&R Schwoogle, for me at the time, was the best company. Was it better than US Express? Yeah! Oh, hell yeah, it was better than US Express. Did I start off with a little bit more cent per mile? Hell yeah! Did I get my miles? Yeah! But that was only with the fleet manager. And what I want to tell you about the fleet manager, and I always say get a rapport with your fleet managers, because if you have a good rapport with your fleet managers, then I guarantee you would get the miles. You would get the miles along with the pay that you deserve if you have a real good fleet manager. Now, at that time, I was promoting J&R Schwoogle. I was promoting J&R Schwoogle heavy. I mean, I promoted it to the point that I was making good money by promoting J&R Schwoogle. I was getting paid not only by driving for them, but I was getting paid by bringing new drivers in. I was getting paid by my videos, by promoting them on my videos. So yeah, I was getting paid real good. But unfortunately, things change. Situation has changed. I was my fleet manager earlier this year had decided to go to a better, prosperous, better place, which left me kinda in limbo because the new fleet manager that I had really wasn't working with me the way that my previous fleet manager was working with me. So with that said, I went out and got my tankers endorsement because I wanted to up my skill level. So I went out, got my tankers endorsements, and started to look around to see what other companies is out there. I made the call to the present company that I'm at. They offered me some good advice, some good deals, and I went back to J&R Schwugel to see if we can, make it work, make it better, make it like it was before. And unfortunately, it didn't work out. So now I am here with the present company. So I only been with three companies. And throughout my 4 years, I have been with them long enough to get some type of idea of which companies are the best companies for me. Now I'm not sure what best company is for you. What you got to do is you gotta do your research. Make sure you watch all of my call videos, because maybe one of those trucking companies that I have talking to in the past, maybe one of them might work out for you. But enough talk from me. I, like I said, I reached out to the young ladies. I wanted to go ahead and share their video with you guys. So here it is. I'm about to go ahead and hop in my truck, get ready to go. I'm on my way to Missouri to drop this load off. And while I'm driving, you guys can go ahead and take a look at what Nic and Carla has to say about their feelings about the best trucking companies for you new jacks out here. So you guys, please enjoy the video. If you guys like videos like this and more, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and hook your boy up with some coffee. I try to come with inspirational videos, motivational videos, informative videos, especially on my main channel, especially when it comes up, because like I said before, YouTube kept fucking with me. So no more reaction video, no more reaction videos. But if it's dealing with the trucking, then yeah, I'm gonna bring that to you guys. But everything else is gonna be on the new channel. Nic and Carla, come on in and take over for me.
Carla, can I ask you a question? Sure. In your opinion, what is the best trucking company to go to?
I mean, I don't know. I only been to two, so out of the two I've been to, I would say Prime.
That is a question that we get all the time. And you gotta keep in mind, we're biased because we've only been to two companies, and the company we liked a lot was Prime. But just because Prime worked out for you, I've heard some of the craziest horror stories from people going to Prime.
You mean just because it worked out for us? You said you.
Yeah. Just because it worked. And we had some crazy times. Accidents, bad trainers.
Yeah, but I don't think, like, the stuff that we went through, it wasn't that bad to me. You know what I'm saying? It didn't seem like horrible to the point I'd be like, like looking sideways, giving you the side eye. Yeah. So and they take care of you, and I think they care about their people, and that's what I like.
Yeah,
it's like any concern you have, you can go to somebody about it, and I don't think they'll turn you away. They will actually look into it, and that's what I like. It's like customer service, but to their employees.
Yep. And again, but just because we're saying that we really like Prime as a starter company, like there's no way I would want to go back to Prime, and it's mainly because there are some things that I didn't like. Oh, that is a beautiful shot. And there's some things that I didn't like about Prime, which is the reason why I wouldn't want to go back personally. And that's why I recommend, again, it all boils down to doing your own research. The best company out there is the one that you've researched and the one that works out for you.
Yeah. Well, I think the best company is based off of whatever your needs are. Like, whatever it is that you need at the moment. And maybe you should take time to think about what is it that you need. And then pick a company based off of what you need when it comes down to your life, your family. It's like you have to think about future. You can't just think about the current time right now.
Now, one thing I do, this almost sounds like a damn Prime promotional video, which we're not being sponsored by this. That's why when we go to the next company, most likely we're not going to share who we're driving with. But, as a woman, I think Prime was really lit for us because they were there for us. They had that female liaison and, really good communication and just really made us feel comfortable going into a world full of men. So, I don't know, y'all. Just when you ask this question, just know that we're not going to have an answer. Now, to newbies, I'm always going to recommend Prime because they had the highest pay that I've seen starting out for solo and team. Like, our checks were always
really good equipment. To me, I mean, it's just
that was another thing.
You in your equipment, they have good equipment.
Yeah.
Now you just have to know if you decide to lease, you're going to be responsible for the upkeep, and there's no such thing as you're not going to have problems with new equipment.
Yeah, and also know that when you leave, if you do leave Prime and you go somewhere else, the equipment probably ain't going to be as good.
Yeah.
So,
Unless you want to start out rough and move on up.
Hell no.
Like the Jeffersons.
Look.
We're moving on up.
Look, you can go and start rough and go to the sweet land, but I say start off.
Yeah, that's what I say too.
Because it's so... I remember the first time I drove a bobtail, manual semi-truck. It was nighttime, fog was out, y'all. I was so scared, and the truck was only going about 5 miles per hour, but I was so scared in the parking lot. It was just to be driving such a big thing, never done before. So
yeah, I remember being nervous too, just nervous to first start even driving the truck. But my trainer, she was really encouraging.
Yeah,
she was like, you got this.
Yeah. And they got enough people where you can request a female. You may have to wait sometimes, but you can request a female if you want, because they have a lot of female drivers there. Because some women don't want to be paired. If I had to do it all again, I don't think I want to be just paired up with a man in the truck. No offense, I may edit it out because I don't want the smoke. I don't want the smoke.
Hey, it's something down there bubbling.
Oh, you think it's?
I see little bubbles. So maybe that's whatever down there blowing them little bubbles. You see the little